You've been gone a while. What were you doing?
I had to walk Faye out. And the others.
Okay. You have something on your upper lip.
Must be food. Okay, let's go to sleep.
It's 9:01.
Yeah, but my mom said Santa won't come unless we go to sleep by 9.
Oh, flick! Okay, let's go. Can I spoon you?
Sure.